I'm Wang Ji, Applications Engineer within the Radio Transceiver Multi-Market Platform Group at Analog Devices. In this video, I will introduce the ADRV9002 Agile Software-Defined Radio. The ADRV9002 is a dual-channel narrowband and wideband RF transceiver platform. It is our first high-performance narrowband and wideband single-chip TDD and FTD integrated transceiver. It contains two independent receivers and transmitters and two independent on-chip RF LOs that can be routed to any of the receivers or transmitters. The radio provides an RF tuning range from 30 MHz to 6 GHz. RF bandwidth is scalable from 12 kHz to 40 MHz per channel. It offers user-configurable serial LVDS or CMOS data interface. The radio incorporates advanced signal correction algorithms and tracking calibration algorithms. The ADRV9002 offers a number of advanced system features such as fast profile switching for dynamic data rates and sample rates, flexible power versus performance control within analog and digital circuits, a monitor mode for system power and sleep mode optimization, multi-chip synchronization, fast frequency hopping, digital pre-distortion for narrowband and wideband waveforms, independent auxiliary system and control functions. This is what the evaluation system looks like. In this demo, the ADRV9002 evaluation card is connected to the Zinc 706 system motherboard. ADRV9002 is not restricted to be used with this FPGA board. The Zinc motherboard connects to the ADRV9002 evaluation board via FMC connector. The top side of the evaluation card exposes two TX outputs, four RX inputs, both A and B pairs, two external LO, MCS, and device clock inputs. We also have GPIO and control headers. Now turn to the TES, Transceiver Evaluation Software. The EVB system comes with an onboard clock source, 38.4 MHz VCT CXO. It also allows user to provide its own clock source ranging from 10 MHz to 1 GHz. User has the flexibility to select any sampling rate as well as to provide its own channel filter. EVB system allows user to monitor live current consumption of ADRV9002 on its power domains, helping to estimate power consumption numbers while operating in customer's desired configuration. ADRV9002 offers the ability to control RX gain based on analyzing incoming signal level. It offers compact and agile RX system. Here we are showing the AGC in action. We have a CW tone signal coming into the receiver, and as we increase the input power, AGC is making sure the input power does not overload the RX data path. TES offers an IronPython editor window, which allows the user to execute API calls. This window is meant for quick API calls while GUI is operating. Here I'm showing an API call to get the TX attenuation settings. The TES software can generate an initialization code in MATLAB, Python, and C. This code captures the stage in the GUI that the customer has already set previously and can be used to bring the board to this stage using MATLAB, Python, or C. Here we have RX input data as a single tone, and with a little editing of the code, we could transmit the received data via TX. For more information, please visit analog.com.